Okay, so this is a quick walkthrough of how I made a overhead camera mount for about 20 bucks by purchasing items from a local hardware store, one of the big box hardware stores. Just so you know, I already had these two pieces of wood. I already had the camera, obviously, and I already had the little screw that's going to connect to the camera. So what I did was I got 3 PVC pipes. They are each 1 inch in diameter and 24 inches or 2 feet across. I also got these 2 PVC pipe connectors. I think they're called elbow connectors. They're also 1 inch to fit on the end of the pipes. Those 2 items I got in the plumbing section. Now the next stuff that I got was this little gray box looking thing. It's a T-shaped conduit connector. I got 2 of those. I got these brackets. They're 2-inch rigid strap brackets, also in the same section as these. And I got this Conduit Hanger bolt with bolt. It's a number 2, has a little hole here, and this circle fits around a 1-inch pipe. So those 3, this little connector and these 2 boxes and the brackets, I got in the electrical section with the conduit piping. And so I'm going to quickly show you how this all goes together. What I did was I connected these T-pieces onto the piece of wood with the brackets, or straps, whatever you want to call them, and 1 pipe goes in each. And then on the top of those pipes go the elbow connectors. And the last pipe goes inside there, and I'm going to show you what I do. Now first, I'm going to, my camera screw, let me just talk about that for a sec. This screw I took out of the top of one of these. Okay, this piece comes out when you hit the button, and that's what you're left with. And I unscrewed this out of there so that I could use it inside this hole. See? That's what my camera is going to connect to. We're going to put this on the edge of this pipe. Okay, so I'll show you that all set up in 1 sec. Okay, so here's my camera with the Conduit Hanger number 2 piece attached to it by that little screw. And I'm going to slide that over this pole. Okay, so now everything's all connected. I put one side in here, left the other side free, slid this on, connected this side, and then tightened this so that my camera wouldn't spin around. And I have a perfect do-it-yourself overhead camera mount that cost me less than 20 bucks. I'll include a photo of the receipt at the end for item information, and thanks for watching.